Amy Adams wins 2014 Golden Globe for Best Actress in Comedy. Amy Adams has won the Golden Globe for Best Actress in a Comedy or Musical for American Hustle. Golden Globes 2014, Amy Adams wins Best Actress in a Comedy or Musical. Amy Adams has taken the Golden Globe for Best Actress in a Motion Picture, Comedy or Musical for her turn as an elegant grifter in period crime comedy American Hustle. Amy Adams wins Best Actress, Musical or Comedy at 2014 Golden Globe. Amy Adams took home the award for Best Actress in a Musical or Comedy at the 71st Annual Golden Globes. Adams won the award for her role in American Hustle, beating out Julie Delpy for Before Midnight, Greta Gerwig for Frances H.A. 2014 Golden Globe, Amy Adams wins Best Actress. Amy Adams won Best Actress in a Comedy or Musical at the 71st Annual Golden Globes for her performance in American Hustle. Amy Adams wins 2014 Golden